Hello, 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 hello. We're here again. Adidow's Lego. Now, my lovelies, I need you to do two little things for me. I need you to like it and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. I think it's down that side. Yes. Hit the subscribe button for me. And then leave me a comment of which of the 4 builds you want me to build live. We have the Harley Davidson, the VW camper van, the VW Beetle, and the Lego Friends to more or less the same size. Yes. So leave a comment down below which build you would like me to build live. And when I have enough subscribers, I will build it live. I will build it live. Right, I have quite a few Lego builds left. I'm going to crack off a couple more. And then I'm going to go to sleep and do some more tomorrow. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. I've already done 3. I have done 3. I've done the 2 surprise boxes and Little Mrs. Stolen the Cinderella Castle. Yes. So I'm thinking I don't do a Technic this late at night. No, I think I will fall asleep. I'm going to do the Aeroplane. We'll go Aeroplane. We'll go Aeroplane. So these were sets that were in Aldi. They were $4.99. And they're just, the brilliant little sets, aren't they, really? I think so. I have a shadow. I don't know why I have a shadow. But yes, it is model number 60206. I'm not sure if you can still get them in Aldi, but they're not retired pieces. So you can still purchase them other places. That's awesome. That's awesome. The Aeroplane is already built for me. Yes. So if they're running like this, I might do them all. So you have your big pieces. You're right, somebody on my Instagram. And a little bag of little pieces. Right, so I'm going to bring you down. Downtown, where all the Lego is. Downtown, so we can build it up now. Right. The instructions book's quite thick though. They say that the Lego Aeroplane's already built. Right, so you get 2 figures. You get a pilot and a robber. So that's quite, for $4.99, that's really good, that is, because the $2.99 on their own, the figures. So to get 2 figures as well as an aeroplane and a little scenario, that is very good priced money. That is good value for money. There's your little rubber. Yes. Now I like my city sets. I do. I like my friend sets as well. I just like all Lego, except for Technic. My friend snuck a Technic in. And I'm going to see how I get on building it. And if I like it, I might buy myself one to build. We shall see. There's the pilot. Yes, you heard me right. I may buy one when I'm out and about. If I ever get out and about again. Yes. I think I would have to buy it in person because I'd have to pick the simplest. I don't know why I have this conception that Technic is really difficult, because people always tell me Technic's just as easy, and I don't believe them. I really don't, because Technic to me, let's take his hat off a minute, I can't even get the handcuffs in his hand. I'd be alright for Technic, but yeah, there we go. Right, Technic to me is just the epitome of complicated, I think. I don't know why, because I've never built any. Oh yeah, have I built Technic before? I can't remember if I'd built any Technic before. I don't think I have, but I'm not 100% sure. Right, so we start with the Aeroplane. And we start with the big block of yellow in there. And the small block of blue, if you don't drop it in there. Right. Then we have a white block. No, you have to excuse the shouting. if you can hear it. I've done that wrong already, look. So simple. And I've done it wrong. Is that the right thing there? Yeah, it looks like it. And a flat one there. Okay. I didn't realise, well, I'm hoping they're going to be this simple. So far I'm complicating it by not being able to see the pieces. Call me señorita. Do, 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 do. I think it helps the fact that the actual aeroplane's built. I do. I think that does help. I really do think that helps. It doesn't look as daunting because a lot of the pieces are built for you. Or the big pieces built for you kind of thing. I can still make a mess of it, don't worry. Don't you worry about that. I can still make a mess of it. I have no confidence in myself building Lego some days. I don't. But it's good because then I can show you how not to do it. That's my ideology. We have a little control panel. That's going in there. See, we don't even have to put stickers on. The stickers are already on everything. And if anybody who's watched me build Lego before, you'll know that's a godsend because I don't like stickers. They're just another pain in the butt. Turn them over. Stick that down. Turn it back. Okay. Okay, what's this? We're going to make it complicated now. Oh, wheels. Wheels on airplanes? Cool. Wheels on airplanes. Wheels on the airplanes go round and round. Round and round. Oh, look, there we go. Oh, so satisfying. Putting wheels on Lego. Turn it back over. And they fit in there. Yeah. They call me señorita. Now for the front wheels. Turn it back over. And there. Ta-da! The back part, which helps to steer the airplane. I think it's called a tail. Has it got a tail? I think it's got a tail. Right. Oh. Pilot. Come on, dude. You need to get to work. Oh, his visor's come off. Ta-da! Crash landing. Ta-da! Right, I think the rest then goes to the rubber scene. It does. Right. Some gems in there. And the rubber wants to steal things. So gems in. That way round. Green on top. Steering wheel. Okay. Steering wheel. And that's it. And we have a spare handcuffs and a little wheel left over. So now I'm going to stand him on there. So we go. $4.99. You get a police airplane and a little rubber set. That is amazing for $4.99. It is, definitely. And I'm going to see if I can get the other 4 done tonight, because that only took me 10 minutes. Yes, so give me a like, guys, and give me a subscribe. And I'll see you all very soon. Goodbye.